Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix won't and MMS messages on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, check your internet connection. After check internet connection is work properly, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, just swipe down and turn on or turn off mobile data 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list and scroll down and search messages app and click on storage cache. If you want to fix this problem, so click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to, and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin. Click on this option, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix wants and MMS messages on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.